Yup, we're inside the first-person template project. Since our flashlight is going to be an item of the character, let's just do it inside the character blueprint. In the Components panel, hit the Add button and drop in a static mesh. That's going to be our flashlight. From the Details panel in the Static Mesh slot, pick our flashlight model. Let's tweak the size and rotation a bit. For now, it's enough if it just shows up in the camera. Maybe later we'll stick it in the character's hand. Don't want to drag this video out too much. Let's check if it shows in-game. Nope, not there. So let's drag our character blueprint into the scene and set it up right there. As you can see, when the character's selected, we're seeing the in-game camera view. From the Details panel in the Components section, pick the flashlight so we can edit just that. Yeah, this feels alright, but this is only a scene side tweak. To make it stick, we gotta do it inside the blueprint. So from the Details panel and hit Apply Instance to Blueprint. And there you go. In the blueprint, it's now sitting at the same position we set in the scene. With the flashlight selected, let's throw in a spotlight. Of course, you could try other lights too. That's totally your call. Line it up with the flashlight, just don't let the light source poke into the mesh. Looks good. Maybe we should darken the scene a bit. I mean, in a super bright level, you don't really need a flashlight, right? By holding Ctrl and L while moving the mouse, I'm rotating the direct light and pushing the time forward a bit. Alright, let's see. The flashlight isn't turning where we're looking because we put it under the wrong object in the Components panel. It should have gone under the camera. Let's fix that quick. Let's check now. Cool. Guess in this video we're basically making more of a headlamp than a handheld flashlight. The light's fine, but I'll tweak it a little. From the Details panel, I'm adjusting the intensity and radius and giving the color just a slight tint. Alright, better. So the light's on, but how do we switch it off? Well, it's a flashlight, right? Should be able to turn it on when it's off and off when it's on. Let's set that up too. Back in the blueprint, let's open the event graph. I'll add a key event. Say when we press L, it turns on, and when we press it again, it turns off. For that, I'm plugging a flip-flop node into our key event. Flip-flop fires one branch on the first press and the other on the second. Kinda like an on-off button, but what it actually does is up to you. Like instead of toggling the light, we could switch its color or its mode. Hope that makes sense. From the Component panel, I drag the spotlight, drop it in, and from its output pin, I call a Set Visibility node. Hook the input of Set Visibility up to the A pin of flip-flop and set New Visibility to True. Copy the same nodes, plug them into the B pin, and leave as false. Hit Compile and fire up the game. Yup, now we wield the flashlight. Let's see how it looks in context. I'm quickly creating a simple forest. Alright, let's see.